higit sa lahat, natuto akong magmahal.
Wala mang inaamin sa mga salita at kilos ni Enrique, tila desidido siyang ipursige ang panliligaw kay Liza.
So let's say, i-date mo si Liza. What is that date going to be like?
Yung dream ko talaga is to take her to a tropical paradise na kaming dalawa lang. And seeing that kasi you could see how small life is. How small you are compared to the world. Parang totoo, may Diyos na kaming dalawa lang. Just nature, just you and me.
Totoo pala si Superman.
17 anyos na si Liza at 23 naman ang aktor na si Enrique. Pero sabi ni Ken, handa raw siyang maghintay sa kanyang forever.
She's just the sweetest girl that you can ever meet.
You are just a dream that I once knew.
Kasi before I was inisip ko, Lord, who's this girl na makikita ko? Sino ba yung makakatulog in the future? You want to know. Pero nung nakilala ko siya, to be honest, I mean, to be really 100% honest, parang, okay. Okay, ito na. Okay, thank you. Salamat. Parang I didn't have to wait that long. Parang binigay mo na.
Ganon?
Parang ganon talaga.
Ganon? Oh my God, sounds like a marriage proposal to me. Oh, so now we have to find out from Liza. Ano ang great discovery mo about Ken?
He's very family-oriented. Yun yung nagulat talaga ako. Because that's like one thing that I really want in a guy. I want him to really think about his family first before anything. And I'm just happy because he's a breadwinner and how he's able to keep his family happy despite everything they went through. He knows how to do magic tricks, he knows how to joke.
Ganon? Magkikero siya?
That's that good.
And he also dances a lot.
Well, the best magic trick if he gets you to say yes.
Well,
Magic?
Abra-dabra, sabihin mo na.
if he were to ask me if he could be my boyfriend already, yes. That's just a what if.